everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a paint and relax. You can either relax and watch me paint or paint along with me, but note this is not a tutorial which is step by step. The materials I used are listed in the description box below. Note any materials are completely fine. In today's video, the style of painting I'm going to be doing is Neo-Geo. Let's remember that Neo-Geo is an art movement that utilizes geometric abstraction that emerged in the 80s. Even though I'm not showing the sketching process, I used a ruler and a 3B pencil to sketch out my drawing. Now enjoy while I mix these colors together. Now I am slowly filling in a part of my Neo-Geo sketch with a light shade of blue. A tip for painting Neo-Geo style art is that when you go outside the lines, it is okay because in a second coat you can always make those mistakes less noticeable. Now I'm putting down a layer of orange onto my canvas. Another tip I have is that when you put paint on the canvas, I like to quickly spread it around, and this is because if you let the paint sit for too long, you won't get an even coat. Now enjoy while I mix some red and white together on my palette. I'm filling in a triangle with the shade of red that I just created. It's important to recognize what the color palette of a Neo-Geo project consists of. Neo-Geo projects consist of primary or flat colors. To create other colors, such as purple, green, and orange, you can mix together the primary colors. A tip to get clean, crisp lines is to use a ruler. When creating a Neo-Geo project, it is always important that the lines are super clean. Now I'm filling in a triangle on my canvas with a shade of orange. It's important to note that even though I am filling in a triangle, Neo-Geo paintings consist of many different shapes, such as rectangles and squares, and other abstract shapes. Now, the final area that I'm showing you guys today is an abstract shape that I created, and I am filling it in with a yellow. When painting in yellow or other light colors, don't fret if the pencil lines are showing through. Always remember to border these colors with darker colors so the pencil lines don't show through. Finally, I'm putting down a layer of dark blue onto my canvas. my final Neo-Geo project. I'm very proud of how it turned out, and I enjoy the abstract shapes and the primary color basis. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Also comment down below what you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.